To fix a Frigidaire refrigerator not cooling after a power outage, start by checking the power supply to ensure it is properly plugged in and that the outlet is working. Next, verify that the circuit breaker has not tripped or the fuse has not blown. Check the temperature settings to ensure they are set correctly, as the default settings may have been reset during the power outage. The ideal temperature for the refrigerator is between 37 and 40 degrees Fahrenheit, while the freezer should be set at 0 degrees Fahrenheit. If the temperature settings are correct, proceed to check the condenser coils, which are usually located at the back or bottom of the refrigerator. Clean the coils with a vacuum cleaner or a soft brush to remove any dust or debris that may be blocking the airflow. Inspect the refrigerator's door seals to ensure they are not damaged or worn out. If the seals are damaged, replace them to prevent warm air from entering the refrigerator. Check the refrigerator's compressor and fan to ensure they are working properly. If the compressor or fan is not working, it may be necessary to replace them. If none of the above steps resolve the issue, it may be necessary to reset the refrigerator. To do this, unplug the refrigerator from the power outlet, wait for 30 minutes, and then plug it back in. This will reset the refrigerator's system and may resolve any issues caused by the power outage. Finally, if the refrigerator is still not cooling, it may be necessary to contact a professional appliance repair technician to diagnose and repair any underlying issues. By following these steps, you should be able to identify and fix the issue with your Frigidaire refrigerator not cooling. After a power outage,